This one is 8.3, and so we have these three vectors, and what it wants us to do is find all of these specific ones added together. So what I did first is calculated the x and y components of each of these vectors first. So for A, which is this one here, it has only y velocity, or magnitude and direction. So we're going to multiply we're going to find the force of this vector, and that's going to be 55 in the y direction. So we're going to write, so A equals, we're going to say 0I, and then subtract 55J. Now for B, this one's a little bit trickier. I'll do it down here. So in order for us to find the y here, we have to do the sine of 60 and multiply that by the magnitude of this line, which is 60. So if we do 60 sine 60, let's see, we get 51.96, and then so that's in the y direction, and then we have to do 60 cosine 60, which tells us this right there, and that's going to be 30. So when we write this one out, we're going to say 30I plus 51.96J. And they're both in the positive directions, so we're fine with where it is. And for C, it only has direction that way, so we don't have any y component. And this is going in the negative x direction, and it's going to be negative 30I. Okay, so then when we come to here, when we want to know A plus C, we're going to take our A, so we're going to add the x values first. So we have 0 subtract 30, or plus minus 30. So then we get negative 30I, and then we have negative 55 plus 0. So minus 55J. That's going to be A plus C. And then if we do B plus C, we're going to have 30 plus a negative 30, which zeroes it out. So we have I, then we have 51 plus 0. So we have 51.96J. And for the last one, when we do them all, we have 0 plus 30 minus 30, that gives us 0. Then we have minus 55 plus 51.96. So I believe that's 3, let's see. I don't have my calculator with me, but it's going to be 3.04J.